Hi, this is Vafa here with another Lightroom tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to edit part of your photo without affecting the rest of it. This is a photo I took a couple of years ago at Calgary Cup event. You can see a faded poster up in the right corner that is not properly exposed. The rest of the photo has proper exposure and needs no adjustment. I only need to adjust the exposure of Masayama, the founder of Kyokushin Karate. Also, I would like to get rid of this red light here on the left corner. It does not add any value to the photo. Okay, this photo is already copied to my computer in the same folder that has been added to Lightroom, but it does not show up on the Lightroom yet. So I navigate to Library and then choose the folder and right click on it and choose Synchronize folder. This pop-up says there is one new photo. I click on Synchronize, a new window pops up and the photo is already selected. I click on Import and that's it. In other tutorials, I explained that we see only one new photo here and not the other old photos. Just click on the folder again and all photos show up. Now double click on the photo to open it up and go to Develop where we have access to sliders. It makes it harder to adjust if the sliders are too short. So expand the panel to the left and make the sliders as long as possible. To apply the changes to the poster section of the photo only, we need to create a layer by choosing the Adjustment Brush. Select it right away. You may or may not see some pre-selected values. Just double click on the effect to bring all the sliders to their default values. Next, hover your mouse over the photo and you see the brush circles. Adjust the size of the brush using your mouse wheel. I also decrease the feathering, in this case maybe 38. I think that's good. Now hold on to left click on your mouse and start painting over the area. When you let go of your mouse, you cannot see the affected area unless you hover your mouse over the dot. The red area is where changes are going to take place. Okay, a little bit of left and right and it's all covered. Now that I'm good with the selected area, I go to sliders and increase the exposure. I think it looks much better now. Contrast, a little bit, bring it down just a touch. Add some highlights. Shadows look good to me. Of course, you can play around with the sliders and see how you can make the area look better. Just lower the clarity. There should be a noise reduction slider. Here we go. Just slide it to the right. If the area is too small and you would like to see it zoomed in, go to the left panel and select something like 300 to zoom in. This rectangle tells you where on photo is zoomed in. I drag it to the right and the poster shows up. Now that I see better, maybe more noise reduction and also just the clarity. I'm done with the changes. Click on Done or Enter. Just one click on photo and it shows up full screen. Next, I will get rid of the light on the left. Under the settings, choose Crop Overlay tool. If you would like to keep the photo's aspect ratio, then make sure the lock is locked. Otherwise, you change the size and it only applies it to either height or width. These three lines help me with the crop and proper framing. So I adjust the size and then I will frame the photo by selecting an area and kind of go left and right. And when I feel it's good, I think that makes sense. Okay, either click on Enter or select Done. And crop is placed, and poster of Masuyama is well exposed too. And that is how you edit only some part of your photo using Lightroom features. Please comment, subscribe, and like this video if you enjoyed it. And make sure you check out my other tutorials. Until next, bye.